Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the intraday for Bitcoin to see what happened and what it might happen next. As you can see, of course, we got our 1.618 as expected, the fib level that I was waiting for, of course, to be taken as a wave 3. And even we have overshooted, so that is a very strong signal here for bullish for Bitcoin. And we are still looking, of course, at our potential diagonal here as a wave 1. We got a W, X, and a wave Y here, very complex structure. Finishing, of course, the wave E exactly there after A, B, C, D, and an E. And we started a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 here, unfolding toward the upside. The wave 5, I would consider it, of course, almost not finished yet. Even it is in double 1, 2, obviously, and we're looking for 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So we're still looking even for higher, a little bit extended here. Wave 5, that's very nice, of course, a bullish scenario here for a Bitcoin. So we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. I'm still looking here for a 4 and a 5 as well for a little bit higher prices. I would say target for this potential scenario here can be, of course, taken from as a precision. I think we have hit the 1.618. Yes, we hit it already. It's taken, guys. So I would say, yeah, one more for 5 based on these double 1, 2, and then, of course, I would say it would be it. But we will, of course, look after still for another 4, 5 here in the white scenario. The white scenario, of course, where you have the previous wave 1, 2 here, and you're looking for wave 3, 4, and a 5. So very likely, of course, that we might get this wave 4 and a 5, and that we take the high here, which is the 95K or around it. Yeah, so we're looking for confirmation even for higher, meaning once we bring this, of course, 1 to 1 here and pushing, of course, above this high, that means we're pushing, of course, towards the 1 to 1 fib level for a wave ABC here, at least in a zigzag. I'm looking for the 99K, then after it, and of course, then continuation toward the upside. I think that this wave 5 might be a little bit extended, and maybe that's why we start to see, of course, some extension here, because we need to reach the 99K. And of course, this is a signal there for the bullish sentiments. Now, if we push above this 1 to 1, that would be great. Wave 3, of course, where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And here is exactly where we start to confirm something bullish. Something bullish is unfolding, not just a correction, not just a wave 2 in a diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it is, of course, something bullish reversing, of course, toward the upside, probably for new highs, new all-time highs here. Yep, so this is regarding Bitcoin for the Elliott Wave. The last thing I would like to show is, of course, the KGT indicator. Obviously, we have double signal for bullish, followed, of course, and already there. We have, of course, very strong momentum here for the bullish. Now we have, of course, the selling signal, which is very close, and that, of course, because we still need, of course, one wave 4 and a 5. So if we dive a little bit even deeper here on the 5 seconds even, just to get a little bit closer. So I would say, yeah, we still have divergence, guys. We still have divergence within the price on the lower time frame even. So as I mentioned, one more wave 5 is very, very likely. Even if we have the bearish signal, it will not play yet before getting one more high and then dropping down. Dropping down for wave 4, of course, not very, very, very down. But don't forget, yeah, so for alternation here, by the way, if we have alternations, this is a flat here, so expect an aggressive wave 4. Expect an aggressive wave 4, but not to touch, of course, the invalidation. Hopefully not, of course, the 90K, 900, which is around the 91K. So we would like to get, of course, wave 4. It might be deep in a zigzag and then pushing for higher later on. Yep, this is regarding Bitcoin, the intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.